Hey guys, we take a quick again from Derek Motors. This is our Toyota Prado 2002. We upgraded to Prado 2023. You can see the body work. This is 19 April 2026. We have decided to take the vehicle from here to our oven spray department. We will bake the vehicle and we will keep you posted. You can see the vehicle now. Imagine a vehicle of 2002. We transformed the entire body. You cannot give a trick if this vehicle was 2002. Go and check 2002 Toyota Prado. When you see the preparation of the upgrade, you will know, yes, these people, they mean business. Today is Sunday. We work 24 hours at Derek Motors. People being on Sunday, all these engineers, they are all Muslims. So, pass. Your location is not a barrier. We are 24 hours workers, 247. You know, the preparation alone is giving me excess joy. In Nigeria so far, in this country currently, Derek Motors is the only company ever that has remodeled this Prado rear fender by changing the position of the fuel tank. Look at the rest Prado they are upgrading. So far, this is a manual remodeling. I mean, it's a craft work, a craftsman work. When you look at from the competitors, we realize even their own. This shape normally is here, so the gator will pass up of this thing. But we're able to take it down because this is how the OEM Prado look like. So don't worry, we'll keep you posted. Are we done? Are we done? Drive out now. Kàn ni. Patrick. This one now is going for painting. This one is going for painting today, Sunday, 19 April 2026. That one, we are still assembling it. That is a vehicle of 2012. Yes, this one is 2012. See what we are doing here. We made a vehicle of 2012 to this standard. This is what we are putting here. This is the reason why we have not coupled this view, but since we ordered for it and we have it now, we are going to couple this place on Monday. Look at it, vehicle 2012. You can see 2012 steering, right? So we have a new steering for this. No, we will first put on for inside that one. Are you seeing it? So today's Sunday now. We are taking this one for the spray department. Our oven is not here. Somewhere else. We are taking it there to spray it. So you see the wonder when we open bake the vehicle. A wise man once said, "Take pride to how far you have come, and have faith to how far you will go." So me, Derek Akpeji, GMD, CEO of Derek Motors. That is what I say this morning as well. So now we just take her Prado from here now. The painting is outside. I'm just trying to picture what is going to come out from this LX470. 2001, we are upgrading to 2025 LX600, a vehicle of roughly 300 million naira plus. This is a rough job. I mean, this is a craftsman job now. Look at it. What do you think? So we take pride in this. In this result alone, we take pride first. We know what we are doing. They may not yet know what is coming or what can come out from Derek Motors, but with time, they will know who we are. As a excuse one, a young American, I asked him, "Hey, who are you?" He said, "It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plans." It is our plans. It's our plans. So we know our plan must be achieved in this automobile business. That's what I came with it. This automobile industry, before they will start manufacturing their own vehicle, they will see wonders. Dashboard, and look at the one we have here now. This is what is doable by us. What we are going to do here will shock the world, because we are the first in the entire Nigeria who have ever endeavor in upgrading LX470 to this standard LX600. What we are going to do in this tailgate, in this back view, this is where you know these people, what is behind them is far beyond human. Human cannot comprehend it. Yes. What we are going to do in this booth alone, they give us the award. But relax, we know what we are doing. Well, just stay tuned. Follow, share our page, Derek Motors. Before this one will leave here, that one is going for painting. By next week, this week, that one is coming back, and we'll take that Prado for painting. You don't start now. Okay, man. Now you go. Who is he that will say a thing and come to pass when God Almighty have not said it? Who the talker? That person never bab. That person never bab. You go, I'm following you. Yes, you go. Who tells now who be the best, the most verified tester, you say who they play. Vehicle of 2012, see the engine. Yeah. Yeah. You see, when we couple this motor this week, now you will confirm. And you see the interior. You seeing it? You see the story when we put the 100, everything. So let me go with them. Let's go to our spray department. This is the Prado. Right? This is what Derek Motors did. We know what we are doing. upgrade this vehicle from 2002 to this one. If you want to come out painting, you're not going to believe. Relax, stay tuned, okay? Remain blessed. Happy Sunday.
We are still on this our project. 2002 Toyota Prado. I mean direct Toyota Prado 2002. Derek Motors upgraded it to 2023. You can see one thing we did here. This is one of the mad things we did here. We take this gator from here to this place. This tank, we took it from here to here. You understand? Though we have done like first second coat of this vehicle, we have to sandpaper it. That's why you see here is a big marks and here is glossy. You understand? They once did the project somewhere else before they brought it to Derek Motors for us to do perfect job. You can see. So that is the thing. You can see the job we are doing. Side step. What is a detailed job? When you are looking at job, you look at the shape.